Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Making a video on Kenwood's latest mesh and Bluetooth intercom systems for Harley Davidson. They're made by Sena and I've got the lowest price on the planet. Hang out and watch the video as I go over the features and show you how you can get one. Alright, so let's go over the features of Kenwood's latest intercom system, but first I want to tell you, this thing is so cheap, you're going to want to hurry and buy one. On our website, we're going to have extremely limited quantities, and yes, it's going to be accurate on the website. Under safety and security, you'll find these two headsets. Normally, the video model is $400, the non-video model is $330. The video model is now $100 and the non-video is $69.99. It's less than half of what you'll buy a Sena headset anywhere else for. So let's go over the features so you can understand what you're looking at and what you're getting when you buy one. First, we're going to go over the KCA-HX5M. That's this one right here. It does not have a built-in camera, but it is one of the best intercom systems. It does mesh or Bluetooth intercom. Through Bluetooth, you can connect to up to 4 riders and you have a 1.2 mile range. Through a group mesh, which is a private group with their mesh network, you can do up to 24 riders. In an open mesh, that is a mesh that you let anybody hook up to. It does an unlimited number of riders. So everybody in your whole motorcycle club could be on the same network at the same time. 1.2 mile range, built-in FM radio, about 13 hours of use on a charge. I've got one installed here on this helmet, so you can see they're actually branded Kenwood. They're made by Sena. They use the Sena mesh network, so it will connect to other Sena branded headsets as well, not just Kenwood headsets. It's going to come with a boom mic. It's going to come with a wired mic that you can hide in your helmet, along with left and right earpieces, so you get stereo sound. Now let's talk about the differences between that and the 7. So the KCA-HX7AC, it's going to be Bluetooth only. So what that means is it's only going to do up to 4 riders. You're not going to be able to get on the mesh network with the 5M. This is for people who have a small group they ride with, or maybe you just want to communicate with your spouse or one other rider. It has a 1 mile range, but the cool part about this is built into the end, right here at the end of it, is a 4K camera. So this is like having a GoPro on the side of your helmet. 125-degree field of view, very wide angle lens, and again, built-in FM radio up to 4 riders. Go to our website, volunteeraudio.com. We have both of these listed there with a few more technical specs. This is definitely the best deal you're ever going to get on an intercom system. Now I want to make sure you know, this will work with Harley radios, the factory radios that do intercom. The new SoundStream Reserve radio does not connect to headsets at all. So if you're looking for a headset to go with your GT or GTS radio, or you're just looking for passenger communication and you're not worried about the audio side, these are the best unit for you to get. Volunteeraudio.com, go to our motorcycle category or section of our site, then pick safety and security, and these are going to be the top 2 things. They're not going to last long, so hurry up and go there. If you got questions, you can email us at sales@volaudio.com, call 1-844-30-AUDIO, or you can just send a message right at the bottom of this YouTube video. We'll be quick to answer your question and your comment. Also, subscribe to the channel, tell your friends about this deal, because you're definitely going to want them to get the same kind of headset so you can all ride together and listen together. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and God bless.